Hi guys, today I am going to swim since yesterday we were waiting for the swimming pool. Later I'll show you because we're eating.
Hindi kita magkapusan o lagpun lang. Aja.
Coke.
Coco,
Soft drinks. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola,
We eat.
Coco.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's eat guys.
We eat bulalo.
We eat bulalo. In Bilalona, you have bulalo. I already done school. Now I'm gonna go to grade 2 now. Grade 2 now.
Yummy. We eat more, huh? Because you will swim.
Yeah.
Wow, you feel fresh. Really.
I
Feel
will-
fresh.
I will eat a lot of rice and meat. But why the rice and meat are
Mix together. I mix it.
I mix it too, but they're crumbling everywhere, like crumbling everywhere.
You will drink soft drink
Yeah.
or not na because if you cold, baby, you just drink one water, okay?
Okay, because it will make you sick, cold sick again. Since I want to be a
And soft
doctor.
drinks is not good.
Yeah, for your lips and for your.
Just drink. I just drink it.
Oh,
So that you can swim again.
yeah.
Look, makakalahati na.
A lot. Later, guys, I'm gonna show you. This week pa or eating pa. I'm still not sick because we're in our house.
You feel cold?
Nope, not at all. Because Elsa's don't like cold. And he gets better. Mommy, look.
Just finish it.
Ha?
The cat took our cat is banana.
Labi ng purang pizza.
Naka-video natin.
Ito nanay.
Nagadugod na kang nga manok.
Manok.
Tinula sila di ka, ma'am.
Ay.
Nagadupay na bate.
Is
May
this
luto
down?
amin. Hindi na ba atin sila babo.
Sarap.
Sarap. You want watermelon? Sarap bulalo.
I'm not waxing. I finished my food. Do you eat the meat?
Okay.
Manong may ata.
These are the cellulites. Cellulites.
You can teach also kids. Well, I'm eating. You can teach kids.
Until we will eat. We will eat watermelon.
You want watermelon?
Yeah. I want to show my people.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Still have. Finish it.
Still have.
I can chew my meat because I look at that. I feel like a
They chew
vampire.
it because it's soft.
Mm-hmm.
The meat cook well, that's why.
Cook well.
Ayan. Jajay.
It's too hard to chew because
Oh, then let's put it here. I thought you can chew it.
but not.
I cannot pala.
Yeah, because I have no teeth here.
Ayan. That's okay. It will come out soon.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, it's super good.
Also, are you going to swim?
I have it first.
Mhm.
Look, oh, there's a lot of rice. Oh, yeah, so that you can swim again. You and mommy can swim.
Yeah. I feel really happy that I have a best day ever.
Mm.
No, it's okay. I wish I can have a fork so I can.
Yeah, we didn't get the pork inside. Pork.
I'm done.
Done na? Yeah. Oh, you eat pa the watermelon. Don't go swim pa. You just finish eating. You need to palpa.
Guys, I wish I can be a voice actor. I wish I can go to Forex. Only I can grow up. Not then I will go to Foreign X and be a voice actor. Because also kid can be a voice actor, right, Mommy?
You can go inside to wash your hands, baby.
Okay.
You can post your video. Or you can end it now.
Yeah,
We will eat the watermelon. You can end na that. You can
That's
stop.
okay.
No! Later, no more na space your tablet.
well, bye everybody. Sorry.
Oh, you can show na your swimming pool.
Here's my swimming pool.
Show it first before you end the call.
You see it?
Oh, it's the back. If you pull down, just open. Where is it? The back come.
The bud
Oh,
comes.
you show na there. Oh, but careful.
Bud comes. Huh? This one?
I know, you cannot. Oh, just show na like this. Oh, good na. Oh, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
And the phone. And